Now at noon, another triple-digit jump in coronavirus cases in Iowa. IDPH reports 257 new COVID-19 patients in Iowa today. That puts the state total at 3,159. There have also been 4 additional deaths for a total of 79 COVID-related deaths in Iowa. 1,235 people have recovered. That's a 39% recovery rate. Well, Governor Reynolds announced today she is mobilizing as many as 1,000 Iowa Guard troops to help fight the outbreak in the state's meatpacking companies. KCCI senior reporter Todd Magel is live downtown with what that means for dealing with this outbreak. Todd.
Well, Ray, it's a big development today. The governor is ramping up its efforts to fight the COVID-19 virus, considering so many of these outbreaks are in these packing plants that have been announced in the last week or so. The governor made an official request today to make at least 1,000 Iowa Guard members full-time to fight this. Right now, there are about 250 full-time members doing this. They would help deliver testing equipment to packing plants. They would transport some of those kits to labs and possibly help plants with cleaning. It's a sign of just how those packing plants have become the new hotspot for COVID-19 in Iowa. The Iowa Department of Public Health is also mandating that all Iowa businesses with at least a 10% of their workforce absent must now notify the state so the state can come in and begin surveillance testing and also more contact testing to try to bring the virus under control, and that affects a lot of these packing plants. We also asked the governor if the packing plant should just shut down, and she says that cannot happen.
We have farmers that are raising hogs. We are the largest hog producer in the country. We provide a third of the nation's pork supply. It's about 25 million a year. And so if we aren't able to move them through the process, at some point, we're going to have to be talking about euthanizing hogs, and we're not that far from it. And it will be devastating, not only for the food supply, but for the cost of food going forward. And so we need to be thinking about all of that, and we need everybody working together to see how we can actually come up with solutions and really mitigate as much as we can through this pandemic to keep this critical infrastructure and critical workforce up and going.
Also at this morning's news conference, the governor revealed that 1 inmate and several staffers have now reported COVID-19 infections in the Iowa prison system, and we're told they are taking precautions to prevent the spread there. We're live downtown. Todd Magel, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.